Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video. It's going to be a WWE setup, but it's not really it's not about WWE. I'm just using WWE wrestlers for it. It's Animal Apocalypse. It's not yeah. So first we have, where did he go? Oh, Shawn Michaels is down there. He fell off probably. Shawn Michaels fell, but okay, so he's just sitting down. This is Seth Rollins. He's sitting down, terrified of what's happening. I'm gonna turn the light on first. So Seth Rollins fell. You're not able to see. Yeah, Shawn Michaels down there. But Seth is terrified of what's been happening to all his friends. Sting and Braun Strowman are fighting. Why don't you turn that off? But Sting and Braun Strowman are fighting. They're about to fall off of this cliff in the game. Xavier Woods and Jimmy Uso are helping Finn Balor. Are helping Finn Balor up because he almost fell to his death. Shawn Michaels, my other DX Shawn Michaels, is terrified because he's been bit. He's trying not to defend himself. He's been bit by this thing, but now he's going after Shawn Michaels. Seth Rollins. He's leaking out by this dinosaur. There's an animal apocalypse, so there's going to be dinosaurs. But he's trying to defend himself, putting his fists up. Now this thing was here, and he was getting chased by this monkey, not a monkey, a gorilla from, I forgot what movie it was from. It was a movie with The Rock in it though. And Seth was getting chased by it, so he climbed up here. This monkey, let's go. This thing's falling all the way down there, probably to Seth's death. And this dinosaur is targeting Seth Rollins. It's going to attack him. This dinosaur is attacking Undertaker. He's getting bit right now. Oh crap, I messed it up. But this dinosaur is attacking Taker, and he's about to get eaten by a saber-toothed tiger. All the animals that are in my setup are actually from the Corp Elite set. There's this tiger, saber-toothed tiger. There's this dinosaur. There's this other dinosaur from, it came with a King Kong pack. And then here is this gorilla. I forgot what movie it was from, but it was in a movie that, what are you doing? It was in a movie that The Rock was in. But yeah, I'm going to take another look. There's Shawn down there. You can probably see him better. There's Shawn. He was supposed to be sitting on this, but then he fell down and fell to his death. Oh yeah, I did forget something. AJ was climbing down. AJ Styles was climbing down because he. I'm gonna zoom out for a second. So AJ Styles was climbing down because he thought that he was going to get attacked. And Roman Reigns, you can barely see him, but Roman Reigns saw a bazooka on the ground.
Which is also from the Corporal Elites.
Yeah, a bazooka on the ground. So he's like going down to pick it up, and then he'll kill the monsters. Gonna go and get. Sean is supposed to be sitting right here. Sean was supposed to be sitting right here, but he did fall off. Whoa! But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Peace out.